Have you ever wondered how travelers create those cool animated travel maps without any fancy software? Well, today, I'm going to show you how you can make stunning travel animations right from your browser. No downloads, no complicated tools needed. Let's dive in. Open your web browser and type in molt.dev. Once you're on the website, look for the three horizontal lines at the top right corner and click on it. Select Start to begin. You'll be prompted to create an account. You can sign up using your Google, GitHub, or Apple account, or simply register with your email. Choose what works best for you. Once you're logged in, it's time to input your travel route. Type in the places you want to showcase on the map. If you're using a free account, keep in mind there are a few limitations. You can't change the transportation icon except for the airplane, add location photos, and the final video will have a watermark. After setting your route, you can adjust some settings by clicking on the gear icon. With a free account, you're still able to change the video's main theme, add a title, include music, and select the language. Once you're happy with your settings, click Export. You'll see options to choose from: square, landscape, or portrait formats. Pick the one that suits your needs. Finally, click Download and wait a few moments. Your video will be ready to showcase your travel journey. And that's it! A super simple way to create stunning travel animations without downloading anything. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks on creating awesome content. Thanks for watching, and happy traveling!